Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to reconcile bank statements in QuickBooks. Now, once you're logged in and you're in your dashboard, you want to go look at your left-hand side and hover your mouse on accounting. So if you hover your mouse on accounting, this pop-up will appear and there is an option that says reconcile. All you need to do is click on this one and it's going to tell you to get started. So keep yourself on track, find holes in your accounting and get things tidy for tax time. So click get started. There we go. And this is going to be the process of reconciling like a pro. So all you need to do is close this up. And here you can just, choose the bank account, right? Or what type of account you want to do this with. Beginning balance, statement ending balance, the ending date for this specific reconciliation, enter the service charge or interest earned if necessary. So you're going to use, you're going to fill in the date of that service when that service was charged and the expense account, what account here, right? And then the date for the interest earned for that the same time, and click interest account 2, right? And then start reconciling. And again, this is a pretty nifty tool to make sure your books is clean. There's no overlap. There's no suspicious activity within your account. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.